Ever suffered from heartburn and wished for an immediate solution? Heartburn can be a real pain, but fear not. We've got some effective home remedies right from your kitchen. Banana, apple cider vinegar, baking soda and water, turmeric, and aloe vera juice. Now, let's delve into these remedies and learn how they can help. First on our list is the humble banana. This everyday fruit works wonders as a natural antacid, soothing heartburn with its high potassium content. To avail of its benefits, simply savor a ripe banana at the first sign of discomfort. Simple and delicious, isn't it? Next, we have apple cider vinegar. This tart liquid is a powerhouse, helping to balance your stomach's pH and alleviate heartburn. To use it, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons in a glass of water and drink this before meals. Remember, always dilute apple cider vinegar before consuming. Moving on to baking soda and water. Baking soda, a natural neutralizer, combats stomach acid beautifully. Simply dissolve half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink. However, do remember to use this remedy sparingly as it's high in sodium. Now, let's talk about turmeric. This vibrant spice is a potent anti-inflammatory, which can help prevent heartburn. You can easily incorporate it into your meals or take it as a supplement. Turmeric not only soothes heartburn, but also enhances the overall digestion process. Finally, we have aloe vera juice. This incredible liquid can soothe the esophagus and alleviate heartburn symptoms. Simply drink half a cup before meals. Ensure to use decolorized and purified aloe vera juice to avoid laxative effects. So, these are some of the best home remedies for heartburn. Bananas, apple cider vinegar, baking soda and water, turmeric, and aloe vera juice, each offering unique benefits to soothe and heal. If you found this information useful, like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life for more such remedies.